Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet, Guide 2026. First, make sure both apps are set up. Open the Sweatcoin app and check your balance. If you can see Sweatcoins there, the app is working properly. Next, open the Sweat Wallet app. It should automatically detect your account and prompt you to link it. Once linked, your wallet is ready to use. To transfer your coins, go back to the Sweatcoin app and tap Balance. You will see the total Sweatcoins you've earned. Tap Sweat, and the Sweat Wallet app should open automatically. If the wallet opens on its own, your balance has been transferred. To confirm, tap Send to see the value of your Sweat in dollars. For example, under Near Protocol, you might see around 9 cents, meaning 108 Sweatcoins equal about $0.09. You can also open the Portfolio section to check your total balance. If the amount appears there, it means your Sweatcoins were successfully transferred to your Sweat Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.